Fed up with your wood snagging halfway through a cut? Tired of burning daylight, maintaining and waxing? It's time to unleash your potential with machines designed to take you to the next level. This is Jet Black Performance Coating. No maintenance, no rust, less friction, effortless performance. From deep resawing to dimensioning to sanding, these machines are engineered to make even the toughest jobs faster, easier, and more accurate. The low-friction performance coating means more control and effortless command, keeping you in the game hour after hour, day after day. And forget about waxing. The Jet Black coating is built tough, rust-resistant, and maintenance-free, so you're spending your time making sawdust, not polishing your machine. See that matte black finish? It isn't just for looks. It kills the glare and boosts up your visibility, allowing you to focus on the task at hand and execute every cut with confidence. All Jet woodworking machines come with a limited 5-year warranty. If something goes wrong, we've got you covered. This isn't just an upgrade. Jet Black turns your ambition into achievement. Take the 14-inch bandsaw. Jet Black machines have a friction-reducing coating, so you're cutting through wood with power and precision. The aluminum fence system is rock solid, featuring bold, clear measurements that guide you to perfect cuts every time. Then there's the 8-inch helical head jointer. With Jet Black machines, the performance coating means you spend more time conquering projects and less time pampering your tools. And it minimizes wear, keeping you in the game hour after hour, day after day. And the oscillating edge sander doesn't just perform, it dominates. Jet Black machines feature a matte black finish that isn't just for looks. It's for pushing your work to the absolute limit without compromising safety. On the 20-inch helical head planer, every component, from the Jet Black performance coating to the speed adjustments and height scale, is designed to work in relentless coordination for efficient, consistent results. Jet Black isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Jet, power in the right hands.